In this video, we'll explore the wonders of Canada, showcasing its breathtaking landscapes and vibrant culture. From majestic mountains to charming cities, discover why experiencing Canada's natural beauty and rich heritage is a must for every traveler. Experience the breathtaking beauty and immense power of Niagara Falls. Visitors can enjoy boat tours, hiking, and stunning viewpoints, while the falls hold deep cultural significance and a rich history that captivates millions each year. Discover the majestic landscapes of Banff National Park, home to diverse wildlife and breathtaking mountain scenery. Enjoy hiking, skiing, and photography while appreciating the park's vital role in conservation and ecotourism efforts. Explore the mesmerizing phenomenon of the northern lights in Canada, where charged particles create stunning auroras. Discover the best locations and times to witness this spectacle, along with its deep cultural significance in Indigenous traditions. Discover the vibrant city of Vancouver, where urban life meets stunning natural beauty. Key attractions like Stanley Park and Granville Island await, alongside a rich cultural diversity and a thriving culinary scene that delights every palate. Explore the rich history and charm of Quebec City, where unique architecture reflects its European influence. Old Quebec, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, hosts vibrant cultural events and festivals that celebrate the city's rich heritage. Discover the stunning landscapes of the Canadian Rockies, featuring breathtaking mountain ranges and glacial lakes. Engage in outdoor adventures like rock climbing and camping, while emphasizing the crucial need to preserve these natural wonders for future generations. In summary, Canada boasts breathtaking beauty and diverse landscapes, from Niagara Falls to the Canadian Rockies. We encourage you to explore these wonders and appreciate nature. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share for more travel content.